Hey folks, this is it, the new Samsung Note 10 launching around the world today. We have actually two models, so this one is the Note 10 Plus, and that has a 6.8 inch screen, and also launching is the standard Samsung Note 10 with a 6.3 inch screen, which actually comes in a little bit smaller than the current Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Two really cool phones if you're looking for something to help you on the productivity front, because the Samsung Note series has two things that are really handy from that perspective. You've got the S Pen, pops out here. Now this has been with the Note series for a long time, but it tends to just keep getting better and better. This has about a half an hour worth of writing in it in terms of charge, and it just charges while it's slotted in the base, so it will wirelessly charge, so very easy. Now with their built-in Note app, very easy to scribble a note, convert that to text and paste it into whatever application you need, whether that's Word or an email, anything. So really great for taking notes at meetings or any other scenario where you need to scribble those bits and pieces down. You've got 3 cameras on the back in each case, and with the Note 10 Plus, that also includes a depth of field sensor on the rear as well. That allows you to get that sort of depth of field, not just in photos, which we've been used to in some of the top phones in the past, but that's also coming through in video as well, which is really cool. Now, the other thing that I like around Samsung's top tier phones is that you can plug them in to a computer screen, keyboard and mouse, and you can basically use them to get work done without having to carry your laptop with you. Great if you're traveling, maybe you've just got a little bit of work to be done for a day, you don't want to bring your laptop into the office. There's all sorts of scenarios where this is helpful. Basically, you just connect your monitor in through USB-C connection that all of these phones come with now, and away you go. You can fire up your email, your Word, your varying productivity apps, browsers, and get your work done that way. So pretty cool. Now, one nice new addition to the Note 10 is super steady video. Now, what Samsung are telling me is this is set to rival what the GoPro 7 delivers in terms of stable video. I've only had a quick chance to have a look at that, but this does look like a pretty interesting capability in terms of how that will handle movement. So if you're going to attach that to yourself while you're riding a bike or some other sort of scenario, it could be really useful, and great to have that just built in as a standard capability of the Note 10. So it's definitely some cool features in there. They've really boosted the performance. Good sized batteries, very fast charging, up to 45 watts if you want the technical specifications, and also faster wireless charging. And they're carrying on what we saw in the Galaxy S10, which is the ability to charge from your phone onto other devices, such as a watch or wireless charging earbuds or another phone. So very handy all round. That's it from me. Two last things. In terms of pricing in the New Zealand market, the Note 10 Plus will be coming in at $18.99, and the standard Note 10 will be launching at $16.99. Of course, those prices will vary around the world. Available globally from the 23rd of August, and pre-sales are opening up within 24 hours of this announcement. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys.